Yeah, it's great that he's made a decision regarding the Gold Coast, first of all. But from a Samoa perspective, we'd be really excited about working with Tino in World Cup 2026. We'll talk with our senior players about that opportunity. But, as always, when we make these decisions, we go where the player's heart is. And, if Tino's heart is with Samoa, yeah, we'd welcome him with open arms, that's for sure. We haven't had conversations recently. We had previously to him choosing to stay with Australia. But, what you need to do is you just need to represent or present the opportunity that's there, talk about the type of footy we want to play and the culture and heritage that we're building in and amongst the team. And at the end of the day, Tino and his family need to make that decision. But, we feel that we've got a really good professional environment, and we think that we can add to Tino's game and he can add to ours. Yeah, we've done a pretty good job over the last few years to bring some young players through the team, and I'll be looking to those young players in 26. Young guys like Benaya Yoelu at the Roosters and Blaze Talangi at Penrith. We've got young Larkin King Tonga over at the Dragons, and I'll be keeping a close eye on all of those guys. And then we've got some of our stalwarts like Junior Paulo and those types of guys that will hold up the fort for us. But we're looking for young guys to stand up throughout the year and put their best footy on, because you want to pick a form team going into the World Cup. Yeah, if you're Josh Hannah, you'd be feeling quite stoic at the moment, I would imagine. I think that's a pretty exciting thing for the Gold Coast and their fans, to have the leader of your club and one of the leading players in the competition to commit to the club long term. I think that would bring great joy and great excitement around the players and the fans. As I said, Tino's one of the elite players in our competition. So for those players around him that he leads on a week-to-week basis, it's really going to give him a lift leading into the season, and also for Josh as a coach as well, particularly being a first-up coach in the NRL.